Hello everyone. Do you want to create a stock screener app for NASDAQ, New York Exchange, and London Stock Exchange? That too without writing a line of code? Just continue watching this demo video on how to create a stock screener app. Through this stock screener, we can analyze the price of stocks and get useful information like the open price, close price, weekly and yearly high-low, and many more to mention. What do you need to create this app? 2 things: Google Sheet and a premium add-on, GS2Web SaaS, for Google Sheet. Let's get started. As you can see, we have already created a Google Sheet where by using formula Google Finance and query formulas, the stock pricing details come in. The GS2Web SaaS template is open with 2 input fields. On the first input field, users can select the market that they want to look into. The second input field is given for the user to type the name of the company. We fed the data of all the companies listed on NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, and London Stock Exchange. The data includes the name of the company with its ticker symbol. You can find names and tickers by Googling it. Whenever the user types the name of the company, the SQL query formula is used in Google Sheets to find the relevant ticker symbol of the stock. Once the symbol is matched, it passes it to Google Finance, an inbuilt Google Sheet formula that gives real-time stock prices with lots of other information. Let's publish the calculator and have a look at it. Here we can see all the different stock exchanges added. We can choose any of them. For example, let's select NASDAQ and find the stock information of Apple. You see Apple is passing around. This is done via HTML marquee tag in Google Sheet. Here we can see the information, the open price, low price, high price, and closing price. We can see the volume traded in dollars. There is also other useful information like 52 weeks high and low, so you can invest at the right time. We can build this type of stock analyzer for any market around the world. All we need is the list of company names with their respective symbol. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you have learned something new and interesting. Please do consider sharing the video. Thank you.